All right.
Delamination. I'm being very gentle. We got a tear right here. Trying to be careful. Got another tear right here.
You got two.
And then right here. This is well under the 45-degree angle that they allow for repairs. You can see it's tearing in multiple places. And we also got a little bit of delamination here on that. And this as well. Tears right here, trying to get the nails out. Trying to be as gentle as possible. See where these nails are. Don't tear them. Couldn't even get my tool under there. That one's torn. Another tear, delamination. All trying to get the nails so I can get the shingle out. Can't even get the...
Yeah, it's causing more damage.
Way more damage. I can't even get under this one to get the shingle out. I got the nails, this shingle out. I got the nails out.
We should probably leave the shingle in. They're removing the full shingle.
Yeah.
I don't want to cause any more damage.
I mean, as you can see just off of these repairs, we failed right here. There's some delamination. Right here, there's one tear. There's 2 tears, 3 tears, delamination, 4 tears, all in trying to get one shingle out. There is multiple squares of repairs that are said to be done, but we can't even extract one shingle due to the repairability or the non-repairability. They're too brittle. As you can see, you know, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do a repair on this one. We're going to have to proceed with the full replacement. Let me know if you have any questions.
And as you can see, the roof is a hip roof. Everything is tied in. Even up on the corners, the underlayment goes over.